What's up, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shy Bun, and we are back with another vlog video. So right now, guys, we are about to go to the nail place because, as you can see by my nails, not his nails.
Yeah, my nails. All right, guys. To be honest, guys, this is my second time going to nail shop, right?
In his life.
In my life of being on this planet, second time.
Second time.
The first time was. It was like she was walking on the lava something, because I was giving her pain. I was like, man, I'm not going to do no damn nail place.
Yes, like I'm like,
I know growing up I always thought it was weird, but I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it. I did it first time. It was pretty cool, you know. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. I was like, babe, men get their toes done. That's why they got clean toes. Men get their toes done. It's not feminine.
Cause I always clean my toes, you know what I'm saying? But even on there, I put my toes, some boots, some shit, you know what I'm saying? Clean my toes, you know. So my toes don't be dirty.
It don't be dirty, but.
You know what I'm saying? My toes don't look like I know that I burn a cockroach or something.
But yeah, guys, we're going to the nail place. I'm gonna get a not a refill. I'm getting an overlay because my nails have grown a lot, as y'all can tell. I'm gonna get an overlay, and babe's gonna get his. Are you getting your nails like groomed, like done, whatever?
I don't know what you mean by groom or
that's what I mean. Like, you gonna get them like clean?
I guess so.
Okay, so he gonna get his nails and his toes done.
Yeah, my nails.
Babe,
no, I mean my toes. They're gonna.
Okay, he gonna get it.
They're gonna fix. They're gonna do something.
He gonna get a mani pedi. Cause you're not gonna get your nails at like nothing added. They just gonna be
nothing. Hey, you gonna do all the talking. But yeah, guys, that's what we're gonna do today. A little vlog for you.
Also, guys,
we want to say, I know we late.
It's late.
But shout out to you guys, 200 subscribers.
We made it to 200.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Like, it's moving slow, but it's moving a little fast pace, you know?
Yeah.
But slowly but surely, but you know what I'm saying? We're not mad. We're grateful, you know what I'm saying? I never thought I'd have 200 subscribers. I never thought I'd have 100 subscribers.
I never thought anybody would watch our videos, because
I never thought it was funny.
We just regular people, whatever. Nobody gonna watch us. But then we got 200 subs. Like, 200 people watches us.
It's like each sub, like one single sub, motivated me to go even more harder, you know?
Yes.
But we're really grateful, man. Really shout out to you guys. I said, we're on the road to 1K. We're gonna do a little giveaway on 1K, you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, join with us, guys, you know what I'm saying? Slowly but surely, we're gonna do it, man. It's a long road. It ain't easy, but we're gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, man, we finna go to the nail place right now, and then you can see you guys everything.
Yeah, we're gonna show a little snippet of the nail place.
Yeah.
Peace. Alright, guys, we have finished in the nail place. Really?
Yeah, I need to get it out.
I'm hungry, babe.
I'm hungry too.
My stomach's in there growling, bro. Okay, guys, so we finished with the nail place. I was gonna go get an overlay, but when he was taking my nails off on my pinky finger, he like chipped my nail a little bit on the side because he was popping them off instead of soaking them. So I don't like whenever they pop my nails off, because I feel like that strips my nails like in a way, and then it breaks my nails off, and I be wanting to grow them. So as y'all can see my nails under there. They're pretty long. They're longer than I usually get them, because I always come and just get them to cut it off.
Yeah, she just got something random.
I just got a random color.
She just come because I come. Cause I'm not going by myself. So
yeah.
She just got something random.
So I was like,
and then the person that always do your nails, she didn't do it.
Yeah, she didn't do my nails because she had a girl in her seat already, and by the time she was finished with the girl, he had already put the tips on it, and then he started with the color already. So if I would have waited for her, to do my nails, I still would have been like in there getting them done, not waiting, but getting them done. And we hungry. We got stuff to do today. So I was like, oh, let me just take one for the team. I'm gonna just get him to do my nails. They're not bad. They're good enough for me to have them for 2 weeks and then take them off and come get a new set by her. Because I always get my nails done by her. So yeah, guys, we're done. I didn't get my toes done. I already had my toes done. So
yeah, I got my toes done. It wasn't that bad. It was alright. He
got his toes and his fingers done. They look decent. I like them.
No polish, none of that crap.
You didn't get clear?
I ain't want to clear nothing.
Babe, why you didn't get clear?
Right. I don't like it because it's gonna get. I mean, my fingers. Remember, I reckon my fingers.
Oh yeah, you're right. They're gonna get dirty.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, we're done with the nail place. We're on our way.
To, I don't know. Just journey with us.
Just journey with us. We're on our way somewhere. So come along.
Sure.
Peace. What's up, guys? So right now we are inside of a Halloween store, getting our inspirations together. We are in this Halloween store. It's called what? Halloween City?
Yeah, Halloween City.
Ooh, Pennywise. I want to go see that. I think it came out today.
Yeah.
Pennywise, I mean, it too. It came out today. Yes. Shout out to my mom. It's her birthday today, which is September 6th. It's her birthday. Hey, mommy. Oh, yes, babe. How much is that?
Can't show them more
ideas. Goodbye. Ooh. The Nun.
Oh, that's a nun?
The Nun.
Ooh.
Wow. Oh, this is what, Freddy Krueger, right? Yeah, Freddy Krueger. Freddy, he got the hat over here, the mask. Oh, yeah. Oh, this, who is it? This Jason.
Yeah, this one right here, guys. Yeah.
You gonna get that big? Oh, I want this one. Oh, baby. Look, they have this one. I want this one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's what we got by them separate, though.
I want this. It comes 6-piece dress, collar, bag warmers, boot toppers.
You guys know Halloween is coming up, you know what I'm saying? So be on the lookout for a new intro.
This
you know what I'm saying?
Just a raincoat and a paper boat. You can make that. This costume, you can make this. You don't have to buy this. You can make that. Photo pics. Right side.
You guys know Halloween stuff, man. Halloween City. You know what I'm saying? Halloween City.
Party.
I always want to have a party.
Ladies search for things. Okay, it says step here, so I'm going to step on it. Girl.
I didn't think I saw that.
You didn't?
No.
I got heart attack.
I was gonna call it. I didn't think I was gonna have that.
I didn't either. I thought she was gonna get you.
Hey, you, let me free, and I'll spare you.
I think I caught that.
No way. He on another level.
Hey, what is it? Come on, go do some of this. Oh, shit.
I am coming to bring you back with me down to the cold grave.
It's just the orange, bro. Oh my god. Okay, babe, you do the last one.
No, you do.
You scared?
Look at this one. You didn't even touch it. You're so scared. You're so scared. Hey, over there. She said come closer.
Now once you start walking.
She said come.
Which?